Okay, this is my new series. This is the second episode, but I finally got my mic to work. But what I'm gonna do in this series, I'm just gonna tell you what bike I'm on, and then I'm just gonna ride and let y'all hear the bike, because that's what this is. And this is actually a pre-recording. I'm not recording on my mic. I'm actually recording on my phone after I edited the video. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to let y'all listen to this bike and get the bike check and the sound and everything of it. And I haven't had this game long, so don't say I'm bad. I'm just getting the hang of it. But I did notice, I tested out some other bikes that I haven't uploaded yet, and I did notice that the CRF did feel a little heavy. Honestly, I mean, for a game though, you can honestly tell it's a little heavy, on the heavy side of things. Even though they have that single cam, it's still a little feels a little heavier, maybe a little slower is why, but y'all will see the other bikes and how they are. But this is the Crf450r. It's not my bike, it's one of the official factory bikes. I don't know who, I can't remember, but anyway, I'm going to stop talking now. I'm going to let y'all listen to the bike for the rest of this video, and yeah guys, subscribe, stay tuned for more. I'm going to be doing these about every single day, and maybe 2 or 3 a day if I get the chance. But yeah, so I'll see y'all guys on the next one. Enjoy.